And this is a really great chance to learn something interesting about your car, and more than this, save money. If your car broken, it's just a real opportunity, great opportunity to learn something, to learn your car, study your car and repair. In simple, old Volvo 140 series, owners are able to repair everything, and there is no reason to go to mechanics. You don't want to pay a lot of money for them. And I want to add that this is really great. Will be visible results. How you can do this visible? Because this encourages you to continue your work. My purpose of this video to say you that this is a really great idea, great opportunity to repair your car and avoid unfinished projects. This is when you quit, anybody don't want to continue, there is no inspiration to continue car project. And our goal today, to protect us old car lovers from this quit, from stop the car restoration project, because a lot of them, if you want to scroll online, you can find a lot of unfinished projects. So you want to avoid, but also you remember that this, as I said in previous videos, this is great opportunity for you to buy this car, because this will be a greatest choice and more cheaper than average car, unfinished, disassembled, teared apart car, really expensive. And this is a great chance to buy probably a rare classic Volvo. Of course, average guy are able to repair a car, not only Volvo, but simple car from 60s, I think average Joe, he able to repair, not only running around, he are able to maintain and learn and repair his own classic car and continue classic car project. And yes, as I tried to explain earlier, car projects should be visible. You don't want to cover your car completely, just corners, maybe fenders. Yes, you want to protect, but obvious is better. And one thing, obvious your bank account. Yes, as I said, you don't want to go to mechanic, and you want estimate this amount of money. And each time when you repair your car by own hands, you just put this money on your bank account and special savings. And couple years later, maybe if you have Volvo, they not going to be broken really often. You can notice this amount of money on your bank account. This money you saved by own hands, and more than this, you learned new skills, and more than this is visible. This inspires you to continue maintain and repair your car by own hands. Now, of course, a lot of inspiration you can find in these groups, on Facebook groups. You can see how the guys like you, they want to repair cars by own hands. And this is inspiration. This inspires you, but also you don't want mindlessly. This is scrolling your cell phone mindlessly. I also recently catch myself that I'm sitting in the garage and I'm scrolling my cell phone really mindlessly. And but by topic, we should go by this line which we choose, this repair. So this time I want to repair cooling system, radiator, pump and hoses I want to check. And only this topic really bothers me at this time. And which different signals of your progress can be? Yes, your greatest experience, your satisfaction. But obvious, we want obvious results. Painting, body work, you put bonder, this is obvious. You want to paint, you want to avoid rust, this is obvious. But, a lot of things which can require a lot of time and patience. Obvious progress, it always helps us to notice, to realize that we go in the right direction and we doing proper things to continue our project, to enjoy this process. So we want to choose something which will be interested for us for a long period of time, not only right now. This car can be not so interesting. Maybe this car is so simple that you don't want to mess with this car, or maybe this car will be too complex, stuffed with bunch of electronic. For what? Stuffed with electronic, these modern cars, you want to find something between, probably classic Volvo from 60s, 70s, maybe 80s, if you're inclined to work with electronic, so you don't care. I prefer simple mechanic, and I prefer, because of that, I'm inclined to simplicity. Simple cars with mechanical ignition, mechanical fuel system, Zenith Stromberg carburetor, Bosch ignition system. You're able to repair, maintain, tune these systems, and there is no difficulty. And car should be interesting, because we want to avoid, this greatest enemy, boring. When car becomes boring, it shouldn't be boring. So from the start you want to decide that you love your Volvo from 60s, and professional approach will be helpful. In this case, we want to work even if we feel that this is boring, maybe we're moody because of rain, weather change. Yes, we can't to do, but simple job, clean something, just wipe it, dust, not any difficult things which require focus completely, but something simple. But we should continue. We want to do even simple things, because who cares if professional mechanic don't want to do his work? Anyway, he should go to his car shop, repair shop, and he must work in this garage and do his job. So he doing his job even he bored, during boredom. Sure, no one car can be interested forever, so a lot of guys, they jump from one car to another. They can buy one car, then they can buy another car, and I think this is trap. We don't want to slide to this way, to continue. We can't be satisfied, but a lot of things which we can approach with interesting approach. And one thing also can be behind the corner, and it can strike us. A lot of things that we love to do with car. probably I want to work with engine, but I don't want to mess with rusty body, rusty frame. So I should work with engine part of my time, and another part I want to do what I need to do, not what really satisfies me, but I should to do this job because I need to continue my car project. So one day you can repair engine, or maybe 1 month you can repair engine, and another month you want to weld your car. And now question of the day: which benefits you can get from your old car? And what interesting you learn from your car? And I think with this, I'm agree with this saying: no better teacher than your own experience. This is a great saying. Anyway, if it's boring, we want to work according our plan, but we should make this plan at first. Yes, I also want to go and make my plan to continue my journey, my restoration project with my gray color Volvo from 1969. A lot of products can provide a novelty, but we should find this novelty, this curiosity to our own car. I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.